It's on.
Alright, let's get rid of this gingerbread house.
Dude, there's like a pond full of gas on it.
Okay, that's enough.
That's way enough.
Take the gas can, take it way over the other side of the yard.
Way over the other side of the yard. Daniel.
Dan, take it over there. It's going to blow up.
Get it out of here.
We got to listen to the instructions. He's not going to light it without you coming back. Don't worry.
Somebody sent out Grandpa.
Is that far enough away?
Oh yeah.
Is that gas can far enough away?
I think so.
Scared lightning.
Hurry up, because apparently my battery life is only like a...
That's alright. Smell the gas. Shoot it on.
Oh, yeah, be careful.
Should be a big fireball.
Whoa. Only just one it lit right up, didn't it? You guys send that to Jamie.
Oh, I hit it. Hit it again. Hit it again.
Watch out, Dale.
Hit it again.
You guys are crazy, man.
Dale, he's going nuts.
Alright, so let's cook marshmallow.
Over the gingerbread house.
Super grenade!
Dale, you want the corn dog?
Throw it in there. Throw it in there.
Look out.
Did it get in there?
Yep, that was it.
I don't think so.
Well, let's not get closer.
Oh yeah, we got it.
Man, Dale's breathing in and out smoke.
Oh,
Is he breathing out smoke or?